right, special thanks to this company for sending this my way. Now, from the box, you can't tell anything. So if we open it on up, so cut the tape over here. This one kind of peeled off. Now you can kind of see what it is. So right on top is a full user's manual. And then you'll see what this actually is a battery pack that can be used as a camera. It's essentially made to look like a little slim battery pack to recharge your phone, which it is. It honestly does that. But also it takes a micro SD card and it has a camera on it. That's what's pretty tricky about this one. Oh, look at this. Looks like a couple of coverings for them. Interesting, okay. Then that's like a SIM ejection tool to hold the reset button and stuff like that. But very, very interesting product here. And so inside the manual, it tells you exactly what everything is. These are actually lens protection covers. Okay. It shows you 16 gigs saves 80 minutes, 2.5 hours for 32 gigs, 5 hours for 64 gigs, or 10 hours for 128 gigs. That's for your SD card. So the power switch is right here, and the charging port is the micro USB, which is why it comes with this micro USB cable. And this one will charge your phone if you were to have it like charging your phone while you have it filming. So this manual will tell you everything that you need to know. This is just an unboxing of this H2 power bank hidden camera. Very, very interesting little product here. And that'll do it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.